Today I'll be showing you how to draw something in nature. Some of the things you're going to need: a pencil, sketch pad, and some inspiration. Skillfully, I will be drawing the thing I decide to draw in nature while also videotaping with my non-dominant hand. First, and I'm going to draw a tree, you take this and you slide it up. It's going to be the top of your tree. Then you take it like that, curve it back, and you can do this as many times as you want, but in this motion you will go back and forth. As you can see, I'm not very skillful at this, but I'm trying the best I can. Doing this 3 times. Take top up, back down. Do the same thing you did with the right side. Curve. Do the same thing.
What'd your mom want? Yeah, you.
You can add a different design. I'm adding a pot to it. And if you didn't see that, you go up, over, this way, down, this way, any way you want. And that's it.